Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so you have been warned. We're going to open up the next item on our list. And so this one has a clue on it that says measure twice, cut once. So as I think about what that clue is, it could be either a measurement device or a cutting device. So I'm not exactly sure what's inside. As I feel it, there's definitely something rigid that feels like scissors, and it's a little flexible. So I don't know what could be with those scissors. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside together. All right. And by the way, when we made these guys, this black and white with this teal just gave our hearts so much joy as we packaged these. So what we have inside, so we have indeed a pair of scissors. So these are Teflon scissors from Moda. So we like, sorry, I'm going to hold it right side up. These are Teflon scissors from Moda. We like the Teflon scissors because they are great for working with fabrics that might have adhesive or anything where you need to be able to slide smoothly through the fabric. You can wash them. I know with some metal, sometimes you might worry about them rusting. I've definitely had my fair share of rusted scissors, but I love these Teflon scissors. As soon as they came in, the team wanted to steal them for the die cutters. I told them they could not because they were going to you guys. All right, but what's a pair of scissors without something pretty to put it in? So we found this by Annie's pattern, and so we're including it with the scissors. This way you can put your really cool Teflon scissors in a sewing case, a sewing holster, and that way you'll definitely know which one's Teflon and which one's not. I've made patterns like this on this scale and size from by Annie's. I find them very easy to do. I know that there is some kind of barrier to think Annie's does a whole bunch of complex bags. These little patterns like this are very simple, very easy to follow. We didn't include fabric because we wanted you guys to be able to use the fabric of your choice for this scissor holster, but the idea is the two of them together, and now all of a sudden you have a cute way to measure twice and only cut once. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our puzzle mystery quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.